Hello guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to change your desktop wallpaper in your laptop or computer. Okay, just right click, then you can see there is an option for personalize. Then click. You can see the first one is background. Then click this one, browse. Okay, then choose your photo from your folder where you save that photo. Then just choose that photo. In case save this photo in camera roll and open that photo. You can see there and choose picture. You can choose multiple picture for slideshow, but actually I'm choosing only this one. Okay, choose picture. Then I'm also choosing this one, fit option for best view. Okay, we have successfully changed our desktop picture. You can see that our picture is just changed. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.